thing. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated. All tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. They say it's all been done, but they haven't seen the best of me. Had to have high hopes for a living. Didn't know how, but I always had a feeling I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living. Shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes.
Education is a learning process. Don't stop sa pag-aaral sapagkat lang tayo ma-improve ang ating buhay. Yung mga ambition niyo, yung mga goals in life, pilitin yung ma-realize through hard work, through perseverance, dedication, commitment.
First of all, I'd just like to congratulate the graduates. Kung gagraduate kayo, give me a shout. Come on, yung mga graduates! Nako, matagal na tong gustong graduate. Ramdam na ramdam ko. Isa pa, come on! Ultimately, the reason why we want to attain education is because we want to become successful in life. Yes or no? But hindi ka magwawagi sa buhay pag hindi ka nakaranas ng pagkabigo. Failure is not a person, but failure is a one-day event. Any one of you have failed in life? Yes or no? Failed in an exam? Yes or no? The reason why you fail, because you never learn. Right now, you learn from it. That's the reason why you don't repeat the mistakes again.
This victory of Fast Graduate is more as it is yours. True progress shows us quiet moments that feel surreal. When effort stays steady, everything you work on will happen. They may seem delayed, but they are never denied.
Follow your passion. Follow your what? Your purpose. Yung purpose, kung saan ka pagaling, hanapin mo. At pag nakita mo, di ba may mga ibang bagay na napaka-natural para sa'yo pero napakahirap sa iba. And once you found your purpose, galingan mo. Be the best at what you're doing.
Sana, sa susunod na kabanata ng buhay namin, makatagpo pa kami ng mga taong kasing galing, kasing malasakit, at kasing saya ninyo. Thanks to our Almighty God. whose constant grace and guidance led us to what we are today.
To my fellow students, now that we have graduated, we will face different paths. And whatever path we take, may our dreams come true. Congratulations to us, batch 2025-2026. This is not the end, but the beginning of a meaningful journey. May God bless us all. Thank you.